it's Ann here back at Watershed Wonders, and look, it's starting to come alive. So this is our intro wall that we've looked at for many weeks now that has been blank, but the vinyl wrap and the information is on it, and we just have our monitor installed that will be talking about the introduction to the watershed. So now we're inside the exhibit and we're on day 3 of the installation, and as you can see, the graphics and the vinyls are all going up. So this is the water cycles, and we're going to do you a very quick tour of what we have up, and there's still more to come. So next week it's going to be so exciting. Here I am inside the aquarium. Up above is our beautiful picture of the Sagouin sailing through the Narrows, and this is representing the lakes of the watershed. And this is where your virtual aquarium will be, with over 100 fish swimming around with all kinds of things for you to find out about them. Well, as you're leaving Watershed Wonders, you will exit through this beautiful mural that shows the wonderful color that we experience each fall here in Muskoka. So not only will you see it in real life, you'll see it here year-round here at the Watershed Wonders exhibit. And remember, we're going to be opening July 14th officially. We have another week of install, and we're going to bring you some pretty exciting pictures next week as well.